It is my good fortune today to introduce both of our eminent guest speakers on this session. Firstly, we are joined by Mr. Amit Agnihotri. Mr. Amit Agnihotri is the founder and convener of the Indian Management Conclave and MBAUniverse.com. Today, MBAUniverse.com is India's largest and most respectable online portal that has helped more than 1 million students get to their dreams business school in India. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Dr. Atish Chattopadhyay is the director of IFM Business School in Bangalore, and he's now the Vice Chancellor of Vijayabhumi University, India's first liberal professional university at Karjat in Greater Bombay. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time and for joining us this evening. Thank you.
Thank you.
I pose this question, is MBA admission a good decision in bad times? And if we are reading the newspapers, we are seeing extremely disturbing headlines. IMF predicts worst slowdown since the Great Depression. IMF is talking about 3% contraction in the global economy. If you look at what some of the very salient voices on macroeconomy like Rubini are saying, they're talking about 10 reasons why a Great Depression for 2020 is inevitable. And he talks about, this is a great article which talks about 10 Ds, including deglobalization as the impact of what's happening in the COVID-19, post-COVID-19 era. So there is a lot of talk of gloom and doom globally. I'm sure all of us are following that. Not just globally, but in India also, we are anticipating a severe slowdown, if not degrowth. We are almost there. This is Moody's 2 days back talking about the Indian GDP growth rate to be practically 0.2% in 2020, which they've cut down from 2.5%. So practically we were at about 7 or 8%. We wanted to go to 10%, and now we've crashed to about 0%. So that's how the world has changed in the last 45 odd days, and we are all part of this changing paradigm, locked in our homes and in our respective places. So that's the broad context. And if you see, the life cycle of a recession, this is some research that we were doing, and we found this interesting data which says basically that on an average about 18 months is the life of a recession. And when you talk about a 2-year MBA, it has a connection with that duration. So that's why I thought I'll bring that up. So last few recessions have lasted about 15 to 18 months, and we are about to enter into one very soon, if not already. In this context, you may ask, what is the impact of all this on higher education? What happens? Does higher education slow down? Is there a negative impact on higher education? And how does things shape up from here? So higher education is a counter-cyclical industry. That's the data of a researcher, very prominent researcher at Stanford, Professor Hawksby, who's written a book, very popular book, on how financial crisis and great recessions affect higher education in past. And what she says is very interesting. She says that higher education is actually a counter-cyclical industry, which means that when all the other industries are actually going through a recession, higher education actually sees a growth. And this is what is something which is fantastic about education and higher education and the industry that we are all part of. So just to quickly read what is the conclusion of our study, the evidence shows that students were most likely to enroll in a college and were most likely to stay in a college during the Great Recession. This may seem surprising, but actually college going has increased in every recession since the 1960s. In short, even though families may find it more painful to pay for college during a recession, because their incomes and home values are stagnant or falling, they do pay for college. This is the sense in which higher education is a counter-cyclical industry. So I thought this is a very, very interesting, very, very important cornerstone of our discussion today, that while everything else is changing around us, higher education is one anchor and where the importance actually amplifies as we go into periods of economic recession and periods of slowdown. Now, with this context, as we move on, there is more evidence on the same idea that higher education is actually counter-cyclical. According to GMAT, the body that does the GMAT exam, in 2009, more than 2/3 of full-time MBA program actually received more applications than they did in the previous year. 2008-9 was the financial meltdown, the recession that was driven by financial meltdown. In India too, I've been doing some research, and it looks like that in 2008 and 9, good programs actually saw an increase. So there is a lot of data from West and anecdotal data from India. I could not find a research that looks at numbers and has formal research, but anecdotal evidence suggests that in India also higher education is actually a counter-cyclical industry.
I think the three important factors that that you talked about is the life cycle of a recession being around 18 months. So this is the right time to start an MBA. So those who got into the peak actually ends up coming out during recession, whereas those who start during a recession comes out during the peak. Okay. So, or during the recovery phase when everybody is probably looking at MBA graduates. That's one. Second is that higher education is counter-cyclical. Okay. And the third issue that you talked about is a very interesting factor. And I like that. Tough times are good time to study economy and management. Okay. And I was looking at some of the questions over here. Okay. Now, my take will be essentially, is a management degree a good investment? My answer is yes. Okay. At any point in time, and particularly at a time when things become challenging, I think this is the best thing to do is to invest in education, and education which enhances one career opportunities. This is the most important learning that I have got at this phase of my career, that we need to discover ourselves, rediscover ourselves, unlearn, learn new things, and remain relevant continuously.